Welcome to Installation Guide of EQMS, a sales CRM software. EQMS can be installed on single computer, multi-computer connected via LAN, on private cloud or public cloud. In this presentation, we would understand how to install EQMS Professional Edition on a single computer. You can follow the same installation steps to install EQMS other editions like Basic and Standard. You can download EQMS from Spinso.com. Download the installer and save on your desktop. Extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder. You would see two folders, Server and Clients. You would need to install both the components, that is server and client, on same computer. Let's install server component first. Open server folder. Double-click Setup file to install. Installation wizard would open. Click Next to continue. Installing client component. Open client folder. Double-click Setup file. We have completed the installation process. This is how simple it is to install EQMS. You would see EQMS icon on desktop. Double-click the icon to open the application. Default login and password would appear for trial use. Click Login to continue. Let's close it. You can also open the control panel and see two components of EQMS: EQMS Server and EQMS Client. Well, this is it about EQMS. Hope you find this product useful for your business. To download and to know more about EQMS, visit Spinso.com.